In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Gumroad to Mailchimp using Zapier in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Connecting Gumroad with Mailchimp allows every buyer to be added automatically to your email list after making a purchase. This is useful for building long-term audiences, sending newsletters, creating email automations, and improving customer retention. Now, if you want to connect Gumroad to Mailchimp using Zapier, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your account settings and open the Advanced or API section. After that, generate or copy your Gumroad API key because you will need it to connect Gumroad with automation tools. Then, open Zapier and create a new automation workflow. Now, choose Gumroad as the trigger application. After that, select a trigger event such as new sale or new purchase. Then, connect your Gumroad account using your API key or access token. Next, choose Mailchimp as the action application. After that, select the Mailchimp action you want to perform. For example, you can add a new subscriber, update an existing subscriber, or add buyers to a specific audience automatically. Then, connect your Mailchimp account and choose the audience or email list where customers should be added. Now, map the customer information fields such as email address, first name, product purchased, or customer tags. You can also apply tags automatically depending on the product purchased or membership type. After that, test the automation carefully and confirm the buyer information is transferred correctly into Mailchimp. Once everything works properly, publish or enable the automation workflow. Usually, integration issues happen because of invalid API keys, incorrect audience settings, or field mapping errors, so carefully review your setup before activating the automation. That's it. By connecting Gumroad to Mailchimp through Zapier properly, you can automatically grow your email list and manage customer marketing much more efficiently.